Welcome to Master Mathematics in Minutes. Today's topic is about square numbers, and we'll cover a couple examples on how to calculate square numbers. And we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, what are square numbers? Square numbers are numbers multiplied by itself. Let's consider a couple examples. We have the number 1. To square that, we'll multiply by itself, which is the number 1. And the notation for that is 1 to the power of 2, or 1 squared, and that gives us 1. Secondly, we have the number 2. To square that, we'll multiply by itself, which is the number 2. And that is 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared, and that is equals to 4. And thirdly, we have the number 7. To square that, we'll multiply by itself, which is the number 7. The notation for that is 7 to the power of 2, or 7 squared, and that is equals to 49. In the first example, we're asked to calculate 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared. So, 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared, is equals to 5 multiplied by itself, which is 5, and that is equals to 25. In the second example, we're asked to calculate 9 squared, or 9 to the power of 2. So, 9 to the power of 2 is basically 9 multiplied by itself, which is 9, and that is equals to 81. In the third example, we're asked to calculate 100 squared, or 100 to the power of 2. So, 100 squared is equals to 100 multiplied by itself, which is 100, and that is equals to 10,000. In the fourth example, we're asked to calculate 52 squared, or 52 to the power of 2. So 52 squared is equals to 52 multiplied by itself, which is 52. And that gives us 2,704. To summarize, square numbers are numbers multiplied by itself. In the first example, we have the number 1, and we multiply that with the number 1. That is the definition of a square number. And that is equals to 1 to the power of 2, or 1 squared, and that equals 1. Secondly, we have the number 2. To square that, we'll multiply by itself, which is the number 2. The notation for that is 2 squared, or 2 to the power of 2, and that is equals to 4. And finally, we have the number 7, multiplied by itself, which is the number 7, and that is equals to 7 to the power of 2, or 7 squared, and that gives us 49. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics in Minutes.